Hi friends, this video shows how to connect an Android phone to a DSLR camera and transfer images and videos. First, in this mobile phone, let me open Google Play Store. Then install this app, Canon Camera Connect app. I already installed it. Let me open it. Tap on agree. Then again tap on agree. Then skip this. Tap here. Then tap on let's get started. Okay. Then we have to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in this mobile phone. So let me enable Bluetooth. Okay, done. Then let me enable Wi-Fi. Done. After that, on camera, press this menu button. Then go to the fourth tab, connectivity tab. Under fourth tab, select option 1. Under option 1, we have to select connect to smartphone. Select it. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select OK. Press this set button. Then again press this set button, OK button. Now it's searching. Then on this app, we have to tap on this plus icon. Register your camera. Tap here. Then select that camera model, EOS R50. Select Bluetooth. Then select next. Then select allow. See, now it's showing this camera name here. Tap on this name. Now it's pairing. Then tap on pair. Then on camera, press this OK button and confirm the connection. So now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. Then tap on OK. Okay, connected. So after that, in this app, we can see two options: import images and shoot. Using this shoot option, we can control this camera. We can take pictures and record videos. The first option, import images. Using this option, we can transfer images and videos from this camera to mobile phone. So let me try that. Tap on import images. We can see it's trying to connect using Wi-Fi. It's trying to establish a Wi-Fi connection. It will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot. We can see the automatically created Wi-Fi hotspot here. We have to tap on this name. It will automatically connect. Okay, connected. We can see photos and videos from this camera here in this app. So let me tap on one image. See. So if you want to download this image into this Android mobile phone, we can tap on this import. Then tap on OK. Okay, downloaded. Let me go back. So if you want to download without any compression, let me import again. Tap on import. So here you can see reduced. If you want to download in original size, you can tap on original size, then tap on OK. So now it's transferring in original size. Okay, done. Let me go back. Let me import one video. Tap on one video, then tap on import. So now it's importing that video from camera to mobile phone. Okay, done. Then so let me open this imported image and video. Go to file manager app. Open this my files app. Then go to device. Then open pictures folder. Here we can see the camera name. Tap on that. So here we can see the imported images and video. So let me open the imported image. See, then let me play that imported video. Okay, so this way we can connect Android phone to DSLR camera and transfer images and videos. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.